Welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos on Friday 2nd of November with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which has been pulling higher. It's a strong bull candle yesterday. To an extent, I suppose it was dragged up by the coattails of resurgent sterling yesterday, but the dollar weakness continues today as risk appetite has improved, and that has pulled the euro through this old downtrend that's been decisively broken, and now through 1430 with these old lows from October, which became a pivot line of resistance. Through that, and if you get a close above that, that really does improve the outlook once again on a near-term basis. That then sort of brings you back into the realms of 15 big figure, which is this sort of medium-term old pivot line, which the market will be certainly paying attention to. Above 15 big figure, you could argue to 1550. That really does start to set the euro back on the recovery trail. You've got the momentum indicators, which have sort of ticked higher marginally, but not in a sustainable way yet. And you're still sort of a little bit concerned the fact that the RSI, I suppose, is still below 50. You'd want the RSI above 50. You'd want the MACD lines crossing significantly higher. Bull cross on the MACD, that would be the first time since August, and look at that run higher that we got in August. So there is the potential for this to really start to regain some momentum to the upside. However, you need to see these momentum indicators turning around sustainably. 1445 seems to be a bit of a resistance in the European session. Little bit of sort of struggle getting through there, but once it gets through there, I think you're looking at 15 big figure again. Sort of open that out. 15 figure. 1485 was a resistance. Oh, sorry, 1495. Resistance from the 23rd of October, but generally 15 big figure to 1550 is the resistance overhead beyond 1430. So we are still seeing the euro recovering, and it's looking more positive, certainly on the hourly momentum as well. Payrolls today going to be a bigger factor, I think, on a near-term basis as well. So it might be that the positioning ahead of payrolls is going to be difficult to ascertain, but I think euro is on the recovery trail, just needs to make a decisive breakthrough 1430 to really sort of go on that recovery. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.